Hello everyone, welcome to my Paraview tutorial. In the last video, I showed how to create glyph, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create contours for scalar field like pressure. So since we are in the 2D domain, we are always going to use this slice, apply filter on the slice. So we select the slice and we select the contour here, and then since we have only one scalar field, it says only pressure here, and then I will compute the scalar, so it will store also the pressure. And so if you just apply as it is, you get basically the pressure lines basically for this particular one value. So each of this line represent this pressure value, and but we want to have more than one line. So let's remove this, and you can select. You can also have individual values, so you can add multiples. So just by pressing plus, you can have just select a number of values, or if you want to have give a range, you can just give range. So I will just take the default uh, from 1 to my min and maximum value, and then let's say I just take 20 uh, values by linear increment, and just apply. Yeah, so you see we have very nice pressure contour lines. So similar to streamlines, we can also change the line width. So if you can increase it to 2, so make it better. And you see some discontinuities. This is because of this case we have some multi-level, and the interpolation errors causes some difference in pressure value, slight difference, but we are looking for pressure exact pressure value, so there is some very small uh, discontinuity, but we can ignore that. So we could also overlay our background. So now since we in the foreground we have pressure, so it's nice better to have also pressure in the background. Yeah, so you can have contour lines and then the pressure profile in the background, and the contour lines also colored by pressure. So basically this is pretty easy to do. And when to one more thing to do, people prefer to do in the contour line is to display the value of the contour line in the picture. When you do have a value in the color bar, but if you want to have it, then there is a way to do it, so but it's not straightforward. So what we need to do is we have to select the contour and create a slice on the contour line. So let's create the slice in the y normal. So all the contour lines the slice is cutting, it will create the points on this uh, on those contour lines. So if I disable show plane, and if I zoom in a little bit, you will see. I just remove this, just change it to solid color so that it will be visible. Yeah, so here, so I hope you see this. So these are the points on the contour lines. So we just extracted those points using our slice, and now we can go to edit. So let's select this slice, just go to edit and select this find data, and say we want to look for the points along this slice, and I want to look for the pressure is between my, and let's say my min and max. So my min was minus 0.5, I think close to that. So I just run select query. So now I have got all the points on this. So if I say you can, now the selection is colored, so you see they are all pink color. Now we can say what value we want to display. So we can say pressure. So we have a pressure value on each of those points. So now we can also control this text size. So make it smaller. So you can control how much decimal point you want and so on. So now if you display the contour, and you could all, yeah, now you have the values on top of the stream on the contour lines. So I hope you like this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a plot over a line. And if you like this video, please click like icon below and press the bell icon to subscribe to the channel for more Paravi videos and showcase videos of Ape Simulation Framework. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.